Hey, Todd here. Quick little gear update. I did a video a couple weeks ago on the Flycam Galaxy and the Red King with my Ronin and the C70. I've got a little update to that setup, a new little item I've added to it that makes the whole setup even better. So let's check that out. And that item I added is this wireless control handle from Small Rig. I've had this for quite some time, few years now, and they've got an updated version, I believe, that's got a wheel on the front here for focus control too, and not just all these controls back here to control the Ronin, which would be nice to have, and I may need to upgrade to get that one. But the really cool thing about this is that it comes apart, and all I really want to use is this part. I don't really need the handle part of it because I need it to be small and compact. But it is nice that it's magnetic and it connects back in here. But all we really need for this setup is this one on the that I'm using on the Flycam. So now I'll show you where I put this and how it's connected, and we'll see how it all works. Now you see the Flycam with the Red King set up here. Got the Ronin up top and the C70. Got the Small Rig wireless controller, just the controller part with the joystick there. And it comes with a little Bluetooth adapter that you hook up to the Ronin so that you can control the gimbal. Right here you've got all your buttons and all that kind of stuff to move it around. So then we're going to take one of these, it's a Velcro wire stay that you use to wrap your cables on your desk so they don't look like crap. But it's nice because it's reusable and it's quick and easy to put on. So I just take this, wrap it around, and then you're good to go with it right on your grip, on that foam grip. And that's where I can, when I hold this thing, I'm gonna be able to control, start record, stop record, bring the gimbal back to its main starting point, all of that. So it makes it super simple to control everything up there without having to worry about pushing another button up there. It's all on your hand that you're holding this whole gimbal setup with. And that is just awesome. So now we'll hook it up onto the actual arm. So now we're fully set up. I've got the controller right where my left hand rides. My right hand's just doing the little bit of the guiding with this guy, whether I'm tipping it down or just giving a little twist or whatever. I don't have to take my right hand off and do anything up there to start and stop. It's all done with my left hand. Controlling, if I want to go right, I go right. If I want to go left, I go left. Up, down, the whole thing is all controllable right here in my left hand now. I don't have to take my eyes off the subject to find the start and stop record button on the Ronin or reach up to start it on the camera. It's just all right here. It's super seamless, super streamlined now, and it just makes it so much better. I really, really dig this whole setup now. Yeah, so that was a new addition to my Flycam setup. The thing is working awesome now. I love the setup. I love this Flycam deal. It is saving my back a ton, and it's so smooth. I get such smoother footage with it than I did just by holding that thing. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, let me know what you think. I appreciate all of that. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you liking and subscribing. All of that business. I really do honestly appreciate it. And yeah, till next time, I'm out.